Welcome to the course for TSQL programming and scripting. And in this session, we are going to learn how to generate a script to drop multiple of table with the same prefix in SQL Server. So, I have already created the video like how to generate a script to kill the multiple of active process or speed. In the same way, we are going to do and we are going to perform the operation we are going to perform to generate the script to drop the multiple of table with the same scripts. Okay, now we can go and we can see first. This is my database, and you can see in my database there is the few tables that name is like scom, scom, scom. This is the prefix, right? I want to drop all the table at a time. Maybe here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? There is 7, but assume if it is the 100 of table is there, then it is very difficult to write like drop table and then table name, right? Drop table and table name. uh, it's very difficult, right? No, one by one you have to go and you have to drop the table, and that will be the more time consuming. So what I want whatever uh, scom prefix is there, like what are the table is starting with scom, I want to delete the all the table. Or you can see some more table I have given here, which name is temp underscore 1. Maybe here I have given the 10, but I have just think it is like 100 of table is there. So I have to delete the 200 table, and if I will go with the manual approach, it will take lots of time. So how to automate this work? It's a very simple. Just we'll go and we'll see. So you already know which table will store the table level of information. That is the sys dot tables. So first I will select star from sys dot tables. Oh, sorry. Sys dot tables. If I will execute this, you can see it is giving the all results like table name and all etc. But we will not worry about this. We are only worry about the table name, right? So here I will go and I am going to filter the table name. So what I will do, I will use the where clause. Where, and after where what I will use? I will use the name. I can use like also. Like, and then single column I can provide the name, like I'm giving scom, right? And I can give, this is the wild card, I will give the percentage of the mark. If I will give the 2% mark, meaning of this means whatever thing is there above that, it is going to take it is going to ignore that thing. So but my prefix is scom, so I will remove this first line and I will filter in this way. So now you can see it is giving that all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that 7 name. So just one more thing just I will do, one thing I will just make this one, I will script out. One more thing I want to explain it here. Just I'm going to change this name scom and I will giving ra something like that I have given, and I given the this one and I execute it. So if I will give, but I have to delete the only those table which table is starting from scom. If I will give the percentage mark here between that, if I'm going to execute this, what it will do? It is taking this name also, right? So that's why you should not have to put scom between 2% mark. The meaning of this means you go and search the character of the name of scom, ignore after this whatever it is there, and ignore before this scom, right? So before s whatever thing will be there, it will ignore, just it will be matched with the table anywhere scom is coming or not. If I will remove the percentage and then I will execute, so what, I will not get that name, which name we have created here, right? That name was what, this one, RR something like that. So what if the meaning of this means? It will start searching from this after scom percentage means it will take this name and whatever thing will be there it is going to ignore. So that is the one thing. So like that we will filter it, right? And then what we are going to do here, then we have to drop the table. So if you want to drop the any table, in the last session also I have explained you have to write select, and after doing the select, you can provide the any name. So I want what? I want name, right? So I will write the name. So like what is the command for it? Drop table and then table name. This is the command for dropping the table, right? So the same thing only we have to print. So what I will do, I will write select, and after select I am writing here drop table, right? This is the only command which one I have to print. If I will printing only this much, drop table, and if I'm writing star from this, like this, right? Okay. Okay, so so what I will do, and you can, if I'm going to execute this, so what I'm seeing, what you are seeing, it is how many table it is there, it is going to display that much time. So if you want to see one more thing, I will add here name, right? So if I'm going to execute this, so now you can see the drop table name, right? Plus symbol means it will be going to be added into this. If you are going to give the comma, and then also if you are going to execute this time what happened, it will give the into the two separate column, right? But you don't want two separate column, you want to add this two. So that's why what we are doing, we will not give the comma, we will be just going to give the plus symbol, and here my script is ready, right? If I will go, if I will execute, so you can see the drop table and the table name, right? So after that what you will do, you have to just copy this all table and give it to and run in one time. So I will copy, maybe it is a 7, it is now here it is 7, maybe in your case it will be like 100, 200. So one shot only you have to execute it, right? Okay, sorry, I have to give in this single column, then only it will work. Sorry, there is the mistake. What is the mistake here? You are saying we have given this hyphen, right? So hyphen is taking as a character. So it is not taking this as a table name. Maybe there is some special character. So this two, it is making the difference. If this is the case, what you have to do, you have to put the bracket, square bracket, then you will able to drop this, right? So now we have to implement this bracket also in my script, right? So if I'm going to execute this, what I'm getting, I am just getting, sorry. Ugh. So now you can see if I'm going to execute this, I am getting like drop table and this table name, which one we have already pasted here, right? But we want into the bracket. So bracket has to be, that name has to become, table name has to become between the brackets. So what we will do, we will just, we will start adding this way. We'll give single column. So single column means what you want to display. I will give here as a bracket. Then I'm going to give here shift plus mark, and then name should be same. Then again give the plus mark and give two column and this, sorry, this one, right? So what is the meaning of this? Means it is going to print drop table, after that it is going to print this, and then it is going to print the name of the table, and then it is going to print the close bracket. If I will go to execute this, so now you can see this is came in this fashion. So one time only you have to copy this all, you have to go to that server and you can paste it, and directly you can run, and you can see that all table has been deleted in one shot only. So just I will execute it. So you can see now there is no table is available with the prefix of SCOM, or which table is starting with the name of SCOM, right? There is one thing. Second thing, which one we want to discuss here, temp underscore one, right? And I given one table also, right? In between that you can see I have written the temp. So if I have to filter it, this temp, what I will do, I can write the TEMP. That is the one thing, right? If I'm going to execute this temp, what I'm saying, it is so I will go with the not name, I will give the name. So it will be just filter of that name only, right? If I will execute, so now you can see the temp1, temp2, temp3, temp9, and temp10, it is coming. That is not a problem. If you will go with this way, then again it is fine for you. You can go with this one. By mistake, if you are giving the two this one percentage mark, that time what will happen? It is going to take this value also, right? One more thing, this is a simple way where people is using this kind of method to filter the table value. But this time what we are going to do, we are going to do something different. Let's see what we are going to do. I am giving temp underscore only one tag. Just see whether we are getting the result or not. We are not getting the result. So what is the meaning of this underscore? Underscore means after temp, if you are finding any table which having the only one character, it will be anything, right? So it is searching for only one character. So you can see here temp underscore is the one character, but after that again one is there. So total two character is there. That's why it is not filtering it. If I will give here one more underscore, right? So this time it will filter how much? 129, because temp, after temp there is two character and one is underscore and one is 10. So if I will give, so it is not filter this one 10, because 10 having the three character. One is underscore one character, then it is one, it is second character, and zero is third character. So if I will give here one more underscore, that time it is three times. So if I will execute, then it is filtering the only which one? It is filtering only third one, right? So using this, we have to filter, we have to filter that's this table, right? So what we are going to do, we will not go with the first one, we'll go with the two, and we can give the percentage mark, right? And then if I'll go and if I'll execute, so now you can see the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So either you can go in this way also, either you can filter using directly temp percentage mark. That also if you will give, then also it is going to give the same result. But be sure what is your requirement, which table you want to delete, that everything you have to put in mind. By mistake you are giving two percentage mark, so it is the gone case. Sometime you have to filter using underscore underscore underscore, you have to give like, okay, three times it is there, so I will use that. So depending upon you, whatever you want, you can do it. And then again same thing, which one I told, I have to drop the table. So instead of writing this, I will write to single column and write drop table. So whatever thing you will write in double single column, it is going to print as it is. So just drop table. After drop table, what we are writing, we are just correct plus mark, and we can give the name because it's don't having no hyphen, right? It's having the underscore, so directly we can use this. We will see if it is not work, then we will use bracket symbol. Select a star from table name. So now you can see the drop table name, everything came from one to last. I will copy with header. I'm going with here only. I will paste it. And if you want, okay, I will execute, remove this. I think again it is not taking, right? Again we have to, okay, again we have to put this. Okay, so we are giving the double column. We can give that curly square bracket. Then again we will give the plus mark. Plus mark means add with this. And then again double single column, give the curly bracket. Okay. So this is the thing which one we have to do. Okay, drop table and then table name. Okay, this one I have missed it to give plus mark. So you have to use the always plus mark. So drop table, you want to add this, right? This is a drop table. Oh, sorry. So it is came with this. Wait, whatever thing we have done, that is correct only. So there is you wait 1 second. Okay, drop table, and you have to give the space. Okay, now you will see what is the result is giving. I have to give the plus mark. Okay, drop table name. Now it is correct. Copy. Now it is coming, right? No need of giving. That's why I told underscore is not required. What I have given, I have not given the space after table. There will be space, and directly I have given in this way. So that's why once I have executed this, it is not given the space between that. So I want space after table, drop table. After table, I want space. I have given one step here, one space here, right? So if I'm going to execute this, it is going to generate the result. You copy this all, paste it, and run in one shot only. So every table has been gone. So very simple, but more effective. Using this code, using this script, how I have built for system, just killing the all active process, or how I have built like dropping the multiple of table in one shot to generate the script. Like that, you can do multiple of work, if you want to drop the all user databases, that one you can do. If you want to make the offline, that also you can do. If you want to change the job owner or database owner, that also we will able to do. In the next session, we will do for one more script, that is for changing the database owner to SA, in is from database owner to SA. So now you can see, now currently database owner is not set here as SA, right? Because who will create the database, their name or their login will come in name here only, right? But as per real-time scenario, you will see this has to be SA account or SA account. So people will always do the mistake, right? So as a DBA, you have to work and you have to just always change this, right? So for that, I will be going to set you. We are going to generate the script into the next video. Please watch my next video. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. Please hit the like button, and mm, please share this also. And if you have any doubt, you can give the comment also. And one more thing, just I want to tell you, if you want to learn PowerShell for HTML health check report, you can go and buy from the Udemy, or otherwise you can go with the PowerShell script and automation. This is also for the SQL Server DB I have created. So if you want, you can buy this course also from Udemy. Thanks for watching my video.